Hello ladies, thank you so much for your love, support and affection towards our brand Kalamandir. Today I am going to showcase all of our favorite Banarasi Bandhani weaving sarees with 30% off discount. Prices are very reasonable and these sarees are very budget friendly. And now online shopping with Kalamandir is very simple ladies. All these saree links are provided in the description. All you have to do is a simple click on your favorite saree code. It directs to our website. From there you can shop very easily. Let's begin our show. The saree I am wearing is in a combination of pink and green color, which is a traditional combination, perfect one, and all over body see nice weaving florals, and we got a big border and zari checks. We got a grand pallu ladies, see how beautiful it is, and florals in checks. There is finishing with tassels as well. And we got a nice contrast blouse with border. This beautiful saree cost is 3,100. After discount, it is 2,170 rupees. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It directs to our website. From there, you can shop very easily. Next saree. Here is the beautiful saree, which is in pink and blue color combination. Very nice combination, ladies. See, all over the body, multicolor floral weaving, which is so grand, ladies. Border is also got a beautiful floral jal, multicolor one, and edge is highlighted with contrast. We got a very rich pallu with zari florals all over and the border. We got a contrast blouse which is very grand, and this saree cost is 2,300. After discount it is 1,610 rupees. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It will direct to our website. From there you can shop very easily. While purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8926760760. Our customer support team will get back to you. Kalamandir is now introduced COD, that is cash on delivery option all over the India, and shipping is free all over the India. Next saree. Here is the perfect Banarasi Bandhani saree. Green and pink color combination. See, all over the body with zari florals which are in checks and circles as well. This design is so different, ladies. See, and border is contrast with zari temples and florals, and pallu contrast one with zari weaving and pink color dots. We got a contrast blouse with zari lines. This saree cost is 3,200. After discount it is 2,240 rupees. To purchase this saree, procedure is same. Click on the saree code given in the description. It will direct to our website and makes your shopping very easy. And on weekend live shows, we are coming up with very nice collections. Don't miss, ladies. Next saree. Here is the pretty yellow and red color combination saree. All over the body, nice zari florals in circles and bandhani design. Very small border with zari floral zal and edge is highlighted, ladies. We got a grand pallu, zari florals, lovely and nice finishing with tassels. And the blouse is contrast with border. This saree cost is 3,100. After discount it is 2,170. Ladies, for more collections and updates, do follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Next saree. For those who are staying in abroad, international shipping is also available. For shipping details, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8926760760. Our support team will get back to you. And here is the beautiful combination, pink and green color. All over the body, nice florals in circles, and there is a combination of diamonds as well, bandhani design. And the border is small border with zari floral zal, contrast one. And we got a grand pallu, zari florals, and very cute finishing with tassels. We got a contrast blouse with border. This saree cost is 3,100. After discount it is 2,170 rupees. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It will direct to our website and makes your shopping very easy. And before purchasing, take screenshot so that you will never get confusion with our saree codes. Next saree. Here is the beautiful grey color saree. All over body, see, nice weaving checks. Paisleys are embedded. Diamonds and elephants are also there. Very grand design, ladies. And the border is medium border with golden zari weaving, zigzag lines and florals. And we got a very rich pallu zari weaving and florals, red color dots and very beautiful finishing with tassels. We got a nice self weaving blouse with border. This saree cost is 1700. After discount it is 1190. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It directs to our website and makes your shopping very easy. And ladies, we are continuously updating our new and latest collections in our WhatsApp group. To join our WhatsApp group, click on the WhatsApp link given in the description so that you will never miss out our latest collections. Next saree. And red is always special, ladies. Everyone looks so glowing in this color, isn't it? Here is the red color from the previous pattern. All over body, zari checks with nicely embedded paisleys, florals and elephants. Coming to the border, zari border we got with zigzag lines and pallu grand with zari florals, nice finishing with tassels. We got a self blouse with nice golden zari weaving and with border. This saree cost is 1700. After discount it is 1190. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It directs to our website and makes your shopping very easy. Next saree. This pattern is so different and grand, ladies. See, one more color, blue color, all over body, cherry checks with florals, paisleys, elephants and diamonds embedded. And the border is medium one, zari weaving, rich pallu as usual, zari weaving and nice huge florals and beautiful finishing with tassels. We got a self blouse with nice weaving and the border. This saree cost is 1700. After discount it is 1190 rupees. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It directs to our website and makes your shopping very easy. While purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8926 760 760. Our customer support team will get back to you and resolve all your issues. COD, that is cash on delivery option, is available within India. Shipping is free all over the India. Next saree. Ladies, prices are very reasonable and Kalamandir is giving you 30% of discount. Hurry up, shop with Kalamandir. Here is one more color, pink color in the same pattern. See, all over body, nice weaving, zari checks, paisleys, diamonds, elephants and florals embedded. Coming to the border, zari border, waves and pallu, very rich pallu with zari weaving and huge florals. Very beautiful finishing with tassels. And we got a self blouse with zari weaving and the border. This saree cost is 1700. After discount it is 1190 rupees. Hope you all liked today's our beautiful collection Banarasi Bandhani weaving sarees. There is one more beautiful saree just beside me. Have a quick look on that. Here is our favorite Georgette saree. And I have few more colors. Green color, very nice. And pink color with green border, very nice combination, ladies. And wow, pretty blue color. You look so bright in this. There are a lot of collections lined up for you, ladies, that we are showcasing in the weekend live shows. Don't miss them too. Have a happy shopping with Kalamandir. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.